This tutorial will show you how to convert from script to video. So in this setting, you'll want to first click Start, and you'll want to paste in whatever text you want to convert into a video. So in this case, I'm going to paste in one of my articles, and I will click Proceed. This will show you the characters at the bottom, and it will also show you if there's anything that is misspelled. So you can go ahead and edit your text from this page, but I will click Proceed. It'll prompt you to select the aspect ratio for your video, and I'm going to select the 16:9 landscape. And then it's going to take a second to process the storyboard. And so as you can see, it has taken our original script and it has converted it into multiple scenes with different videos and different text in each to kind of give an overall summary of that specific script. So from this point forward, you could go ahead and edit the visuals in your video if you wanted to use different videos than the ones that Pictory found. You can go ahead and edit it right here on the left-hand side. Along with different videos, you can also upload textures or use textures. So in this case, you would be using different backgrounds with different patterns, but you can also use solid colors for your backgrounds as well. You can also definitely upload your own. This can be a good way to bring in your own images. You can also edit the audio, so you'll be able to edit the background music in the video, which as you can see right now, this one is applied, but if I wanted to, I could apply this one as well. You can also edit the voiceover in your video, so you can edit which person is speaking, male or female or child from different backgrounds as well. And you can edit the speed. And then you can also upload your own voiceover as well. You can actually also record your voiceover directly onto the video, which can be easy. So Pictory lets you do that. And finally, you can edit the styles of your subtitles as well as the format of the video again. So this is just kind of an overview, but at this point, if you were satisfied with your overall video, you could either preview the video, save it, or generate the video. So in this case, you can either generate a video, you can generate a spreadsheet of social video posts, which will come out as a CSV file, or you can generate social video posts that will be posted directly to Hootsuite. And so in these three options, I'm going to select video, and as you can see, it's going to generate my video. As soon as this video generation process is done, I'll have the option to either download the video, I'll have the option to view the video on Vimeo as a shareable link, or I'll be able to download any of the files associated with the video as well. But this is just kind of a little overview of how to get from script to video.
This video will give you a quick rundown of how to use the article to video function. So first you'll want to go and search up the article that you want to summarize, and then you'll want to paste the URL into this box. Then click Proceed, and Pictory will begin to process the article and extract key messages from it as well. Once this is done, you will see the entire article appearing on the left, and it will have highlighted all of the key sentences from the article, which appear on the right side. So on the right side, you are essentially seeing the entire summary from your article, which will eventually be translated into videos. And so you can go through and edit which information you want to keep and which information you don't. For example, I don't want to keep you all blocked, so I'm going to click on it to delete it. And as you can see, it has now disappeared from the right side. And let's say instead I want to add in this sentence right here. So choices are great, but the task is to find the one that matches. I want to add this in, so I'm going to click on it. And as you can see, it has now appeared on the right side right here. So I know it will be in my final video. Continuing on, let's say I don't want this in my video. I do want this one, but I don't want this sentence. I'm kind of just narrowing down what from the article I want to have in my final video. Now that I'm happy with how my summary looks, I'm going to click Next in the top corner. This will prompt me to select an aspect ratio for my video, and I'm going to select the landscape one. And then it'll go ahead and generate the storyboard for my video. Now, as you can see, each of the sentences that I selected in the previous section now appear as their own scenes and subscenes as well. The keywords have been selected. So as you can see in each of them, there's a different word that is highlighted, which you can also edit. But from this point forward, you can edit lots of different things. So for example, if I did not want to use this specific video, I could head to visuals and I could select a different video that I prefer, which will now appear in my video. Just like I can also edit the audio, if I want to edit the background music or add a voiceover. I can edit the style of the video as well if I wanted to show up a little bit differently. And as I mentioned earlier, I can also easily add words to be keywords or remove words from being keywords as well. So from this point forward, you can just edit your video as you'd like. And when you're happy with how it looks, you can either save it, preview it, or generate it. When you generate your video, you can either generate a whole video with all of your highlights just back to back. You can also generate, or not highlights, but all of your clips back to back. You can also generate a spreadsheet of social video posts, or you can generate social video posts for Hootsuite, where it'll convert each of these different clips to be its own post. And then you can export it to Hootsuite, where you can post it on your social media accounts.